Well, good Friday afternoon to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good Friday, and I really hope everybody's looking forward to the weekend. I know I am. I'm here to tell you, over here in East Central Mississippi, I don't think it's got above 71 degrees today, and in all honesty, we're about 10 degrees below average right now. But that's okay. I'll take the cooler weather. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, and it's been a lot here lately, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, have you ever thought about making your own do-it-yourself outdoor shower? Well, I did. Give me a second, and I'm finna show you. All right, Dan, what in the heck far tarnation is this? Yeah, I'm still working on it. I've always been wanting to make an outdoor shower over here at my shop. I finally have the opportunity to do it now because I have everything that I basically need in my shop. I have a full-size kitchen, 2 refrigerators, deep freeze, a bathroom, yeah, a roof. But I always did want to make an outdoor shower. But I wanted to build the outdoor shower with nothing but stuff that I had on hand. And I didn't want to buy anything. Well, let me show you how I built this thing. What I did was I made a base and I used some cinder blocks to level it up and pretty much make it even with the back of my deck or the ending of my deck. So I had the pallet, I had the cinder blocks, and I had a whole bunch of tin that I used just to make a little wrapping. Just a decorative look, and I had a bunch of 1x, reclaimed 1x's, and a bunch of reclaimed 2x's, and just made a simple frame. And this guy is probably about, I'm 6 foot, so this has to be about maybe 6'3", 6'4" in height. And I attached it to the top joist of my lean-to on the roof of my shop. And I used some tin just to put on the top of mine. It's extremely rustic, but it is highly efficient. I didn't spend a whole bunch of money on it, and it looks exactly the way I wanted it to look. And the pallet is 44 inches wide by 44 inches deep. So that is huge for just a shower stall, period, and an outdoor shower. The only thing that I did purchase for the flooring is the deck board. And I think I paid 27 bucks for 4 pieces of this deck board, 1x6, a 2x6 deck board. So $27 basically into the entire build of the outdoor shower. And I'm here to tell you, it's gonna work. Yeah, Dan, the tin's kind of ugly. Yeah, that's fine. I wanted to look that way because this is all old reclaimed tin that I used somewhere around here to do something. It's rusted down at the bottom, but that's okay. Just lends to the character of it. But yeah, an outdoor shower. Okay, Dan, if it's an outdoor shower, where is the shower? Well, it's right there. What I did a whole bunch of research on and looking around, I found this. This is a GASLAND, basically on-demand hot water heater. Purchase that on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description if anybody's interested in this, because it can be used for anything, a shower. If you like to wash your animals outside, horses, dogs, things of that nature, this thing will do it. Let me just show you how it works, and it's really, really simple. This thing works off of water pressure, basically. And what I have is I have a hose that's hooked up to my county water system, and I have a shutoff valve, a 2-way with a shutoff valve. This is the line that goes to the actual sprayer itself that's got an on and off switch here, and this line goes down to a propane tank. Okay, Dan, propane tank. Yes, propane is what heats the water source that goes into the hot water tank and comes out hot water. Goes in cold, comes out hot. The way that this works is once the on-demand hot water heater figures out that it has over 2.5 pounds of water pressure, it'll automatically ignite the propane and light up some burners that are in here. And I'll fire this thing up and let you see what it looks like. Igniter on this on-demand hot water heater is run off of 2 D-cell batteries, which is right here. I'm not going to open it up, but there's 2 D-size batteries in here. Basically, once that hot water heater figures out that there is 2.5 pounds of water pressure, it ignites the propane, which lights the burners, which heats the water. But this is what I use for an outdoor shower. It has several different mounting options. I just have it basically on the joist of my roof for my lean-to, and it comes with a holder for the shower itself. And I'm eventually going to replace this, and I'm probably later on down the road, I'm probably going to hard pipe this in, because I'm going to keep this out here because I like using it. I like taking showers outdoors, and yeah, it works. So I'll probably be hard piping that in with some PEX pipe later on, but that'll be for another video. I'm going to fire this thing up and show you exactly what it do. All right, we turn the water on. We're going to turn our propane on, and we're going to turn the water on. And then now, I don't know if you heard it, but now this thing is heating up water. And you can see right here off the digital display. Another thing I liked about this unit is the display is in Fahrenheit and not Celsius. So didn't want to do the conversions. But as you can see, this water is heating up rather quickly. I have it set for, I think, 111 degrees maybe. Put our hands underneath here, yeah, and that's really hot right now. So it's climbing right now. It'll get up to, I think, 112, 111, 112, maybe 110. But there we go. On-demand hot water. And I'm here to tell you, that water's hot. Now, to shut this guy off, the only thing we got to do is turn off the water. That's going to go up, which it did. Shut off our propane. Shut off our water supply. Done. It's just that easy to take a hot shower. Really. Drawbacks. I haven't really found any drawbacks as of yet, other than the connectors for the water supply. They're kind of odd. They give you a male and a female connector, which is this for the hose. They give you a male and a female. So I did some finagling around and trying to figure things out, and what I had was one of these on hand, and it happened to screw in there. And it's working out pretty good. No leaks whatsoever. So Dan, how long will the hot water last? You'll get hot water until that propane tank runs out of propane or you run out of water. Not very likely unless the water department shuts my water off. I'll always have water. As long as you have a full tank of propane and you have 2.5 pounds of water pressure, this thing will kick out the hot water until you tell it to stop. Thus far, it has been a wise investment. I had thought about actually, because I have a 50-gallon hot water heater in my bathroom out here, but I was like, scary, I'm gonna have to start drilling holes in the walls and running line. And I was like, nah, you know what? That's gonna be the easier way to do it. And if it gets really bad outside weather-wise, I could actually unhook all of this stuff, pick this whole unit up, and just bring it inside. It's real portable. And it's not just made for this kind of setup. If you go camping and you have access to fresh water and you have a pump, maybe running off of solar, you can take a hot shower. Well, there you have it. A show enough do-it-yourself DIY outside shower stall. And I'm here to tell you, it is working perfectly over here for old Dan. I've used it several times and it works. It ain't nothing like taking a hot shower. May get some questions, Dan, what are you gonna do when wintertime rolls around and it starts to get cold? I haven't figured that one out yet, but I'm thinking I'm probably going to take some visqueen and maybe wrap it around the shower just to block the wind if it is windy from up high, and leave it open towards the bottom. I don't know, we'll have to see. But overall, really, really happy with how it turned out. And longevity wise, I guess we'll see. I'll probably do an update after 6 months or so, maybe a year if the Lord wills, just to let y'all know how that GASLAND on-demand hot water heat is working. And thus far, couldn't be more pleased. To y'all again, I hope everybody's having a show enough Good Friday, and I hope everybody stays safe over the weekend amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like building outdoor showers. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, it's important. Just go on and be you. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.